Can you hear it?
No.
What is it?
Sneeze.
So?
Well, whoever the killer was sneezed. I'd say somewhere on the stairs.
You'd be able to pinpoint the exact spot?
Eventually, yeah.
This kid's got to be our prime suspect, hasn't he? Why else would he have gone to ground?
Could be dead for all we know. Friend?
When the killer came back upstairs, he sneezed.
I'll have to do some more recordings to find out where.
He could have blown DNA right out of his nose. Now, if Eddie can locate the killer to the precise spot where it happened, we should have a DNA hotspot.